To new revelations about the government's investigation into the shooting of Renee Good in Minneapolis. Multiple sources are reporting the FBI opened a probe into the agent who shot her before changing course. Here's Ian Russell.
Yeah, Renee, this comes from sources close to both CNN and the Washington Post, who say the FBI briefly opened a civil rights investigation into Jonathan Ross before shifting to whether he was assaulted.
New details tonight about the investigation surrounding the death of Renee Good. CNN and the Washington Post are both reporting that, according to their sources, the FBI had begun a civil rights investigation into ICE agent Jonathan Ross, the agent who fatally shot Good almost 2 weeks ago before the Department of Justice shut it down. According to the Washington Post, the agent who initially reviewed the shooting found sufficient grounds to open that probe.
Where law enforcement.
This news comes just a day after the Deputy Attorney General for the Department of Justice, Todd Blanche, appeared on Fox News Sunday saying there would be no investigation.
The Department of Justice doesn't just stand up and investigate because some congressman thinks we should, because some governor thinks that we should. We investigate when it's appropriate to investigate. And that is not the case here. It wasn't the case when it happened, and it's not the case today.
Homeland Security Secretary Kristi Noem also appeared on national outlet Sunday, saying they are following the same investigative and review process that they always have under ICE and the Department of Homeland Security. After the civil rights investigation was shut down, the Department of Justice pushed for a criminal investigation into Good's widow. Our sources tell us all of these factors led to a half dozen federal prosecutors in the Minnesota U.S. Attorney's Office to resign.
The FBI's rapid response account on X posted that they are still gathering evidence, but the Post says, quote, "The facts are the initiator and the facts do not support civil rights investigation."